friends, thanks for joining me today. I have received my swap from my friend Jennifer with Scrapbooks and Memories. She did a spring pocket letter swap through her Facebook group and I jumped right in. I don't do that many swaps, but they're kind of fun, so I've been trying to do more lately. So let's take a look at what Jennifer sent me. It does appear that she sent me some extras. I don't see a note unless it's in here. No, but look at this. Let me get this out of the way real quick. Oh my goodness, what's in here? All right, let's see. It took me a sec to get this bag opened. Now let's see what she made. Ooh, this is so cute. This is a tag. It holds tags. But also, you know what it reminded me of? This is so cute. It reminded me of a bookmark. This is adorable though. Check this out. She made it out of book page. And then there's all these. There's 1, 2, 3. And then I think 4. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love that. That's really clever. Okay, let's see what else she made. Ah, little mini envelopes. I love them. I love mini envelopes. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, an ATC. Look at that. Very cool. So I could fill it out and then pop it on the back of an ATC. I like that. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look at this mini envelope. So adorable. Let's see what's inside. Ah, butterflies and petals. Let me make sure I got everything. Yeah. Look at these. I love the check butterflies. Ah, and these are shamrocks. How cute. Ah, these are adorable. Thank you, Jennifer. Oh, there's some corners here, you guys. Let's have a quick look. They go on your journals. I've never actually used these before. I'll have to give them a try. Very cool. And then what do we have? Let's have a look. Oh, pretty. Pretty fussy cut flowers. They're beautiful, Jennifer. Oops. Look at that. Ah, so nice. And then look at this, you guys. She made bows. They're so cute. Let me put them down and I'll try to zoom in on them so you can see them. Aren't they adorable? I love them. They're so cute. I'm gonna put them in my embellishment jar real quick so I have them handy. These are always my go-to. I always go to my jars first before I go to anything else. Look at this, you guys. It's an iron-on transfer. That's so cute. Ah. And then we have some fabric. That's cute. Look, so we have some, it's like, it says fabric, but it's cut in strips. So we have some sunflowers, and then bicycles with sunflowers in the basket. And then the trucks with some flowers in the back. Real cute. Thank you, Jennifer. That's so nice of you. I appreciate that. And then this must be the pocket letter, you guys. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, look at this. All right, let me get my bearings straight here. Let's push these over to the side so we can see them. Okay. Believe in fairies. If you do, make a wish and it might come true. Oh, that's cute. Hi, Jovi. I was excited we were able to be partners. I hope you enjoy this non-traditional style of pocket letter. I was inspired by a couple ones I have seen lately as far as the layout. The theme is a mix of spring, garden, and fairies. Your friend Jennifer, Scrapbooks and Memories. Well, I'm very excited to see a non-traditional pocket letter. Let's have a look. I'm going to learn something today. So before I flip this open, I want to have a look right here at this dangle that she created. There's bead dangles on here, and this says leave room in your garden for the fairies to dance. And then we have some leaves and a flower and a little tassel, and look at this with the sunflower and the leaf. Isn't that so cute? And mushrooms right here. That's adorable, Jennifer. Okay, I'm taking off this hidden paper clip. Check that out, guys. Isn't that so cute? And then this opens like this. This is different. This is really very, very cool. I'm trying to make sure it's all in frame. Yep, that's as far out as I can go, but I think we got it. I think we got it all in. Hold on, let me just make sure. Let me do it like that. Okay. If I keep it on my blue thing, then I'll know it's in frame. Oh, this is so cool. So let's have a look, you guys, at everything. So we have Where Fairies Dance. Oh, that's so cute. And an envelope full of goodies. You know, oh wow, that's pretty. I am learning about these pocket letters and learning about, like, some people only put cards in them, and then some people put all kinds of stuff in them. So I don't think there's any, of course there's not any one way to do something, because as artists we could never just sit inside of that one box and then just sit there. I mean, that would be no fun at all. So I love that we try new things and do new things. Like the one I sent her was a different style than the one that I had made for my first one. And so yeah, it's just fun to try different stuff. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Oh man, this is so cool. Look at the tab and the bow and the bling. So cute. The earth laughs in flowers, indeed. And then look, it's got a little pocket over here. And she did some fussy cutting, and we got some napkin over here that she collaged. Could have been on a master board or a collage, whatever, but that's super cute. And then look at this tag, say yes to new adventures. I love that. Oh, and she used paper napkin for this too. Oh my gosh, it's an envelope. That's cute. So, and the envelope feels like plastic, or not parchment, maybe parchment or maybe wax paper. Ah, that's awesome. And the little tag that says Fairy Garden, so cute. Live each day with grace and authenticity. I love that. And then we have these cute little fairies. Oh my goodness. And then another one that she used napkin on and added a butterfly. Super, super cute. And she put that on top of what looks to be coffee dyed paper. Very nice. Oh my gosh. So much work went into your beautiful pocket letter. I do appreciate that. And then this girl is so fun. And clearly an image from a magazine. Oh, and she added to it though. She added butterfly wings, and she might have done this for her paper dolls that she created for Jennifer's, for Jen's sassy Southern North Carolina girl. She's doing a collab with paper dolls, and so she might have made these for that. That's really pretty. Oh my goodness. Everything is so awesome. And then we've got this cute little tag. I love it. So cute. And we have another, I'm just going to call it her paper dolls because that's what I'm thinking this was for. She added some wings. Oh my gosh, how cute. She sent me one of these images. I believe she sent me one of these images for a swap and glue that I did. There's been a lot come through, but I'm pretty sure I did it maybe with the girl with pink hair. I can't remember which one, but anyway, I'm thinking that's what she did. Enjoy the little things. That is so cute with the mushroom. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Okay, now let's do this pocket. Oh my gosh, look what she did. She made another one. That's so cute. I love the way you did that. Is there a pocket in there? No, that's held down with washi. Okay, that's adorable. Maybe it's held down with washi so I can use it. I don't know. Let me peek again. Jennifer, you'll have to let me know if I'm supposed to be able to remove that and use this tag. I'm thinking so. It does look like it with the washi tape on there, but you can let me know. And then we have this pocket, very awesome, and another tag. I love it. Darling, you are a work of art. That is fantastic. Then this says together, super cute with the little fairy. Aw, these are so cute. Look at this mini tag. I mean, it is tiny. Super adorable. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Really, really cute. Yeah, this is really cool how you made a non-traditional pocket letter. Look at this. Oh, we have another one of these, really pretty. And then we have this envelope, which is so pretty, with some Velcro holding it closed. The envelope was made from either a book page or no, this has definitely got to be a book page. Very nice. I like that. Look at that. It's so cool. Something William Shakespeare must have written this poem here. Oh, look at the butterfly die cuts. So nice. I like how you stamp these out. And if I'm guessing right, this was napkin on top of coffee dyed paper. Really cool. That's really cool that your die cut machine worked on that. This says Thrive. That's so pretty. Aww. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Jennifer. Everything is beautiful and I just love it all. So thank you for swapping with me, my friend. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. And for you, my friends, I really appreciate you coming over and checking out everything that Jennifer sent to me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.